Good afternoon, my people. All right, what we got here? Stone is all in. Footings look good. Look how nice they look, huh? Clay sticking to the feet. Hauling some loads off. Footing, yeah, I'm pumped how the footings come out. They were tricky. But yeah, our footing drains draining perfect. Everything looks good. So it's raining now. This is my last load right now, and if you guys want to check this out, stay tuned, and yeah, enjoy. Thumbs up. Happy Friday, my people. Yeah, Friday. Sun's out. Rained all night, but the sun is out now, so probably site's all wet. I got a load of 2s on the truck right now. Round stone for the footing drains. Miko's installing those right now, and we'll be pulling in a second. Check back in a bit. All right, let's see what we got on site. Getting a little, we got a lot of rain last night, so yeah, this hole's probably got some water in it. Oh yeah, she's got water. She's got water. You know, we got all these roofs and everything goes into the center. But we'll fill it right up with stone, let the water leach out the pipes. Man, that's a thick footing. But it looks good. Look at all them jogs. Bing, 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 bong. And 2 piers there, and there's another pier in the basement once they cut this out. But look at all that rebar, huh? Every 2 foot. With all those jogs, that's nuts. Because every jog you put in a foundation is a strength point. And yeah. Stay tuned. We got to get this footing in on the outside all the way. It is tight. All right. All right, guys. Just going to cut this plug here. This is going to be the exit point of the daylight drain that's going to lead to the woods. And this foundation's tight in the hole right now. He wanted to lay out, but it's tight, so we got to excavate a little bit around for the drainage. But that should get us our daylight started. We're going to dig this around. Like I said, it's tight on every corner. Other than that, it's pretty big. Our overdig here, so basically our overdig, what happened was our overdig lines were plenty, but the bank, say here's a bank on a 90, these banks were tapered in, so at the bottom it was like 1.5 foot more than the top, and so it's tighter on the bottom. If we did the banks at 90, it would be but we thought we already gave enough room. But I mean, obviously it's doable. It's just we got to do a lot of digging now with the shovel where we wanted to have that, and the form guys doing the forms are going to be a little bit tight. But we knew on a normal project we give plenty of room, but all this dirt was getting hauled off site, and the you know, fighting with these retaining walls, we don't want to take too much and have this cave in, then there's extra expense there. So everything we knew had to be tight in the beginning. So overall I'd say it's fine. All right, so I'm just notching this. I moved the dump truck. We got to get a better position. That wasn't going to work what I was just doing, so we're going to notch it in here. I'm going to be a little angle going down, but it is what it is. We'll tip the machine back to the right anyways. Alright, I'm good with that. Let's see where I can bail. So we'll get midway on there with the stone. Let me track this in a little bit more and we'll catch back, make it a little safer. You don't want to put your tracks like this in case that bank caves, you're done. At least if you're facing at an angle a little bit or more forward with the feet of your tracks, the head, then you're could stop with the, you know, with the boom, and you're more capable of getting out if the bank does give away than if it was horizontal. That should work. We're going to dump right on this road plate so that I always have a, I'm not digging into the septic line, and I have a good bottom where I'm not digging dirt too. This stake I just hit with the machine, so let's straighten it out. Whee! It's broke. See if I can straighten it and place it. Put it in the ground. Like so. All done, fixed. All right, we're gonna dump the load, check back in a bit. I'm back. Going to be very easy with the stone, that you don't keep pulling it into the machine. Once you see the top of that pile move like that, back out of it. Otherwise you'll have that stone all a mess, and it will keep coming closer and closer to the machine. I don't know if I can swing that way. I better go this way. First load, and then we'll get this in, then we're going to sprinkle some around the bottom of the footing first. Whoa, I'm into the road plate. First, before sorry, that made me lose my train of thought. We're going to sprinkle some around the bottom of the footing because it is muddy and we don't want to have mud go in the pipe. So this is what we're going to be doing for this load. Get it all out. Hopefully it might take a load and a half. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Alright guys, just about on the last couple scoops of stone. We got halfway across the foundation. We're going to take some dirt out of here, make some more room. Gotta hang on, I don't want to swing over him. Pull this tight, go back out. So yeah, we're halfway there. We still got to stone this pipe that he's installing now, and on the other side over there too. So one more truckload of stone should do it, and get a couple loads of dirt out of here in between the loads, you know. All right, we're gonna load out some dirt. Ideally, this isn't the best position to be loading out dirt. I'd rather be up on top of that pile, but it's gonna work for now. When we go to load out multiple trucks in a row, I will be on that pile and make a little plateau at the top. But I'm just notching it right now so we can get more stone. There's got another load of stone on. It just rained, made more mud. Black clouds in the sky. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, we got water pumping out the pipe, so that means it's working. See, he's got the pipe in. We bedded it in with stone, and then we'll fill that right up to the top with stone. Trying to get this notched out so we get the truck back in here to put the stone here, excavator there, to try to get that. So that's where we're at. I think I might just move the dirt just to get it out of the way for now instead of loading it out. So we gotta drop this stone, check back. We got the stone in position. A little sketchy backing it down in there on that soft material, and we got a little dirt in there with that one. But we had a little dirt in there. But now we can reach that and we won't have to shovel as much. Doing a little extra work to save Nico's back. So we're just gonna get this in and we will check back, and I'll give you a walk through once we get this pipe all bedded. They only dumped out a quarter load of the stone because I didn't want it to go off the bank there, right there, and then I'll backfill our pipes and then we'd have to shovel it out. So just gonna keep filling this up, knocking our stone back like this in a straight line. You do waste a little bit of stone dumping it on the ground like this, but it is what it is. Let's see if I get a little closer for him. Spoil him a little bit, you know. Oh, he liked that. Alright guys, stone's all on the footing. The footing's cleaned off, as you can see. Everything's the grade down there, ready for the walls tomorrow. Just loading out some more dirt. Clean this site up so we can have it ready for backfill as soon as the walls are tarred and we get our inspection. And hopefully that will be Tuesday. But yeah, gonna haul a couple more trucks out of here today and we'll be that much further ahead. I should have already had this out, but we got tied up with other jobs and then it rained a bunch of times. Well, whatever, you know how it is. So we'll just work our way right on out with this pile. And then on the next foundation we gotta haul off too, but we'll have a better idea what we need for grade once this foundation's in.